The Nothing Phone 1 was among the most impressive phones to launch in 2022. While the device failed to find a spot in our list of the best budget phones, it stood out with its unique and premium design. Considering the Phone 1 was Nothing's first smartphone, the company managed to nail a lot of things, including the bloatware-free experience and performance. This does not mean the phone is perfect, though. Its subpar camera performance, limited availability, and other minor issues negatively affect the overall user experience. For 2023, the Carl Pei-founded company is gearing up to launch the Nothing Phone 2, its second smartphone. Learning from its mistakes, Nothing should get a lot more things right this time around. This could make the Phone 2 among the most impressive phones to launch this year. Here's what we know about the Nothing Phone 2 so far and what you should expect from it. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Design and specs. The Nothing Phone 1's unique design is its key selling point. Transparent rear glass gives you a look inside the phone, but unlike the Nothing Air 1, the company covered all individual components with white or black plates. This is a better approach than exposing all the internal components, as it gives the back a cleaner look. And then, there are the LED strips that Nothing added to the rear of the Phone 1 to make it stand out. For the Phone 2, it is unclear if the company will continue with the same design language or make some significant modifications. There have not been any rumors or leaks on this front so far. In an interview in January 2023, though, Nothing CEO Carl Pei revealed that the Phone 2 will be more premium. Thanks to its aluminum chassis, side rails, and unique rear design, the Phone 1 already looks and feels premium. So, it will be interesting to see how Nothing plans to step up the premiumness with its second smartphone. Pei could have meant making the Nothing Phone 2 more premium from a specs viewpoint. The Phone 1 is a mid-range offering featuring a Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC, 8GB RAM, and a 4500 mAh battery. This year, Nothing has confirmed its plan to use a Snapdragon 8 series chipset on the Phone 2. While the company did not reveal the exact chip's name in its announcement, a Qualcomm executive inadvertently confirmed it would be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. While not Qualcomm's latest and greatest SoC, the 8 Plus Gen 1 is the company's 2022 flagship chip and is still found inside some of the best Android phones. Plus, it performs substantially better than Nothing Phone 1's Snapdragon 778G. This move will also allow Nothing to price the Phone 2 a lot more competitively than if it had used Qualcomm's newest flagship SoC. A leak suggests the Nothing Phone 2 could feature a bigger 5000 mAh battery along with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. For comparison, the Nothing Phone 1 has a 4500 mAh battery, with only its top-end configuration shipping with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Cameras. The Nothing Phone 1's cameras were never its strong suit. While the young company has rolled out multiple software updates to improve the camera performance, it is nowhere near as good as the Phone 1's primary competitors, the Google Pixel 6a and the Samsung Galaxy A53. The rear shooters fall apart while capturing photos in low light and challenging situations. Since Nothing plans to make the Phone 2 a more premium offering, the company must focus on its camera performance. There's no information on the phone's camera setup yet. However, a more powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen chipset, a faster ISP, and optimized image processing should allow the Phone 2 to capture notably better photos than its predecessor. Software. Besides its unique design, Nothing's Glyph interface remains among the key selling points for the Phone 1. At launch, the Nothing OS experience was quite buggy, but the company has worked on resolving all the reported issues with software updates. The Phone 2 should continue to run on Nothing OS, but expect major improvements in tow. This is because an outsourced development team made the initial Nothing OS builds for the Phone 1, which seemingly cared little about the company's success or failure. Since then, though, Carl Pei has hired many of the Oxygenos team from OnePlus to work on Nothing OS. The results of Nothing getting a dedicated team to work on Nothing OS are already visible. Despite coming nearly 6 months after the OS's public release, the Phone 1's Android 13-based Nothing OS 1.5 update delivers a more stable experience with improved battery life. This bodes well for the Nothing Phone 2 and its software experience, too. You can expect the phone to pack several new software features, deliver a more stable, bug-free experience, and offer improved software support. A leak says the phone will have a virtual RAM-like feature where you can use a part of the internal storage as swap memory. Price and release date. Nothing Phone 1 debuted in mid-July 2022. While there have not been any leaks on the Phone 2's release date, it should launch around the same timeframe as its predecessor. With Nothing taking a more premium approach with the Phone 2, expect the phone to cost a lot more than the mid-range Phone 1. One of the issues with the Phone 1 was its limited availability. It officially launched in the UK, Europe, Japan, and India. If you are in the US, Nothing launched a beta membership in January 2023 through which you could get your hands on the Phone 1, but the device lacked the necessary 5G bands. For the Phone 2, Nothing's CEO Carl Pei has confirmed that a US launch is in the cards. An official US release also means you should be able to enjoy 5G connectivity on the phone, at least on certain networks. Additionally, with the company now having the required resources, the Phone 2 should launch in more regions, including some carrier stores. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos like this.